My name's Stephen Pesavento. I'm the founder of VonFinch Capital, host of the Investor Mindset Show, and I've been on this journey for nearly a decade. I had the gift of dealing with trauma and tragedy, and that gift gave me a drive. Most people, they get so excited, they get all these new strategies, and they rush out, and you hear about massive action, which is so important, but if you don't start with a clear vision, you're gonna end up in the wrong location. You're gonna end up working for years on something that doesn't even end up leading you to the life that you actually want to live. The more important thing is the life that you're creating. I can't stop. I need to keep learning. I need to figure out, how do I live a better life? Become obsessed with becoming better, with connecting with amazing people, with coming to events, trigger that vision, what it could be like.
It's about purpose, it's about legacy, it's about fulfillment.
Think about it from that perspective, because when you get clear on what this is all for, no matter how hard it gets, you're going to keep going.